Alright, what's up guys? So today got a 15110 freaking building battle I got for 35, a little expensive, and one Journey Together pack. This is a little seven packer. A little 7-pack. Slowpoke. Four Brilliant Stars. Oh, sick. I'm gonna take that out, put that in my binder. Sick Moltres. Alright, well, comment, like, subscribe, share, all of that. I'm gonna start with Journey Together. First pack up. Let's get it. Alright, Torkoal, Komala, Coughing, Shuppet, Brock Scouting, Virizion, Hop's Choice Band, Spiky Energy, Tadbulb, and a Clodsire. It's not horrible. It's something. Okay, let's go. Brilliant Stars. Can we pull a Charizard? Let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Darkness, Cafe Master, Monferno. That would have been a sick AR or IR. Gloria, Cubchoo, Dedenne, Farfetch'd. That would have been a sick illustration, right? Duskull, Grimer, Chimicho, and did pull a Charizard. Sick. I know this is not worth too much, but I will take it. Dang, nice. Nice. Alright, we're starting off okay. Shaman pack. Leaf Energy, Sigilyph, Pachirisu. Wait, what? No way, that never happens. And then they're in a row too? Insane. 2 Pachirisus? Wait. Oh, no. Okay. Execute, Grimer, Sneasel, Bidoof, Electabuzz, Sneasel, and Liepard. Dang, that was crazy. 2 Pachirisus in a row. That's wild. Okay. Can we pull another Zard? That Magmar, I love that artwork. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Vibrava, Tropius, Claydol, Magmar, Spiritomb, Burmy, Impidimp, Staryu, Muck, crazy looking Muck, and Dredagon. Come on, one more, last pack. One, two, three, four. It's gonna be Psychic. Fire. I never do that. I know a lot of people do that. Sharon's Care, Pachirisu, Kindler, Gibble, Trapinch, Execute, Starly, Shroomish. Ooh, Prinplup. So cool one. And Torterra Hollow. Dang, so not that great. Got that one Charizard, but I think I might have that Charizard. I'm not sure. But now let's go with the 151. Okay. Machop, Porygon, Electabuzz, Tangela, Charmeleon, Parasect, Cloyster, Bulbasaur, Rapidash, and Flareon. Dang. That's so good. Let's see. Weedle, Goldeen, Weeping Bell, Ghastly, Lapras, Cycling Road, Scyther, Voltorb. Alright, come on. Oh, last pack magic, baby. Yes. Oh, the Venusaur. Dang. Can't remember. I don't know if this is an SIR, though. I'm not sure. The Venusaur for 151. Nice. Oh, man. That just made the opening. We got that last pack magic, baby. Nice. Got the Clodsire, just Charizard, which I love. I love these V-Stars. But we got the Venusaur. And it looks pretty good. Oh. Dang, you see that? What the heck? What is up with that? Dang, the corners are jacked. Dang, that's not worth grading. I have to sell that one like regular. But dang, I'll probably just keep that, to be honest. Sick. I mean, I'm freaking keep pretty much everything I pull. I keep. I really don't sell much. I gotta start though, just to keep, like, so I can fund opening packs, because spending too much money. But yep, thank you for watching. I'll be back again. I know I've not been doing my daily uploads lately. I've been kind of taking breaks and stuff, but Yep, thank you for watching as always, and peace.